Welcome to Fun and Learn channel, where we learn lot many new things with the help of stories. In this series, we will learn the stories of the letters, their sounds, and lot many words from those letters. In this video, we will listen to the story of letter S and lot of words from S.
There was a little girl, Sia. It was a Sunday morning. Sia's family decided to go to the beach. It was a bright sunny day. Sia made some sandcastles at the beach. A spider and a snail came to play with her. At lunchtime, Sia drank some soup and ate strawberries. She also ate some sandwiches. After the lunch, when Sia was playing, she heard some sound. She saw a snake with spots. The snake started to sing a song. Sia and Snake became friends. The snake gave Sia a star.
Now let's see some words from S. Let's see some of the things in this picture which start with S. I can see the sun in the sky. It looks like summer season. We are at the sea beach. Someone has made a sand castle. Also, someone's slippers are there. A snail is sitting on the chair, and a spider is climbing the rod. A girl is singing a song, and a snake is dancing to it. There is also a starfish on the sand. So, Sunday. But do not oversleep on Sunday. Wake up on time. Soup, strawberry, sandwich. Let's see how to write it. Go round, curl back. Let's see one more time. Go round and curl back. This is the worksheet for letter S. You can download it from the description given below. Thank you. Hope you like this video. See you soon with some new videos. Bye bye.